question in exercise 1.5. So that would be question 151. We are supposed to find out, let's say, 64 raised to half. Now this can be solved using two different techniques. Both should give you same answer. Let's see. 64 can be written as 8 square. So 64 raised to half will be 8 square, the whole bracket raised to half. We know from the law of exponents, if a raised to m, the whole bracket raised to n, if it is there, then basically it is a raised to mn. The two powers just before the bracket, just inside the bracket, and just outside the bracket, they will get multiplied. So now you can simply multiply this 2 by 1/2, and you can cancel this 2 with this 2. And a final answer, that's why it is 8. Another way to look at it is 64 raised to half. Now fractional power is nothing but root. So half power is nothing but square root. So we can write this 64 raised to half as nothing square root of 64, and that's equivalent of 8. Next sub question, 32 raised to 1 divided by 5. Now 32 can be written as 2 raised to 5, and then this outside 1/5 is still there. So it's 2 raised to 5, the whole bracket raised to 1/5. This 5 and 1/5, they will cancel each other, and the final answer will be just 2 raised to 1 or just 2. Another way to look at it is, this can be seen as, again, fractional power is that much root. So 1/5 power is same as 5th root. 5th root of 32 is 2. Why? Because 2 multiplied by 2, if you do this 5 times, you'll get 32. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So basically 2 multiplied by itself 5 times gives you 32. So 2 raised to 5 is 32, or in other words, 5th root of 32 is like going backwards. So that would be 2. Next question will be 125 raised to 1/3. Now 135 is basically 5 cube. So let's replace 125 and write it as 5 cube. Again, when you have a power raised to another power, these exponents can be multiplied together. So basically this 3 and 1/3 can be multiplied together. They will cancel themselves out, and the final answer will be just 5 raised to 1, which is nothing but 5. Or another way is, when you write 125 raised to 1/3, fractional power is equivalent of root. So this is 1/3 power is nothing but third root, which is cube root. So cube root of 125 is nothing but 5. And these will be your final answers.